I joined this very special class of Shivjatam 2 months back without any expectation, but it has given deep impact. I had little ups and downs in my routine of daily work, and there was something which is going in the mind all the time. When will this pandemic end? How will we have normal life again? So all these questions were answered very beautifully, probably because I focused myself on present, and discipline was there. We used to get up early in the morning at 6:30, so it was early night with the early morning. So time management was beautifully done, and we were given homework and tasks to keep the pace going, keep the positivity around the whole day. And it was a silent way of Shivchatam to introduce this, and we never knew it's going to give wonders to us. And I also had expectation little bit after some time that I will have a anger management done through this, and it did that. It did the impact, and I am not irritated on small little things around me nowadays. So it's added positivity all the time. It's added joy within for me. And I would definitely say this session was awesome, with inclusion of mantras, shloks, yog nidra, and variety of variations in the pranayams also. There were few queries we had, so he took a special session to handle that. He also introduced us the diet thing, which is very important during this meditation. Overall, I felt very calming. I had control on my mind. I was able to concentrate more and more on my daily routine, and I prioritize my life with a lot of awareness. Probably what's right for me, what I was doing wrong. So it led to a lot of questions within, and I got answers through this 2 month session. Imagine if we continue and keep it doing for longer, it'll have a very very impactful on our mind, body, and on our spiritual part. If we want to grow in life, we need to have such guidance all around.